Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. They should basically disappear after resetting. So all we have to do right now is to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults and tap on it. And then tap on it again. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.